Hey, check this out. We're here at the Artesia Fertilizer Company. I want to show you some different soils and stuff they have here available, but also just to get a little bit of education on soils. Check this out. Free! You know why? This is fill dirt. This is where they do it. Contractors have done some construction in the area and they had to dig out the soil in order to get a certain depth in order to do whatever kind of construction you want to do. It's nice and full of rocks and stuff like that, so if you needed to fill in an area or a gap or a void there, I guess you could use this. Like if you're going to put concrete or something on top of it or build on top of it, this is a great dirt for just filling in stuff. I'm going to be picking up some topsoil for a job. We're doing some backfilling to raise the levels, and so we're going to get like about 3 yards of soil here. So I'll let the guy know he's already coming over. What's going on, man?
Hey, how are you?
Doing great. I got 3 yards of topsoil.
Okay.
All right.
It might be too heavy for you to trade.
Well, we'll just get 1.5 or 2 and see what happens.
Yeah, 3 would, you're talking about 6,000 pounds.
Okay. All right. Well, let's go ahead and let's jam 2, then whatever. We'll get the other ones later. All right. So I got a dually trailer. He says it's just too much poundage. So we're going to put in just 2 yards and see what happens here. Then I'll come back and get the other yard. I got 3 yards is coming up. But this is our topsoil here. It's a nice blend. And the rains are coming in. So we want to get this down and grade it down so that way we can be able to let the rain kind of compact it up. But I'm gonna walk down here and show you some other soils right quick while he loads that up. They have some different blends of topsoil around here. They have one that's got a worm compost in it. That's really good for like gardens and vegetables, and growing vegetable gardens, stuff like that. This one here, this is the one I'm talking about. It says planter mix and worm castings. Worm casting is basically worm poop, where that is very good catalyst for growing vegetables and just plant material in general. So this is your planter mix, and you can see the blend here a little bit. It's got a little bit of compost and stuff in there, but it has worm castings, which you cannot see by the naked eye, but they're in there, and they're very beneficial for your soil, especially if you're growing vegetables and stuff like that. And over here, we have just a soil mix. So we have it where it's mixed in with some compost. The percentages is probably a little bit more than a percentage of the topsoil that I'm bringing in, because we just have a blended topsoil that's been screened. So that's what we're doing in order to bring the levels up. And we have some soil tests done at the job site, so we'll be able to know exactly what our soil content and our infiltration rate and everything is there. So we'll just get this little load here, take it to the job site, and get it laid out.
So that's 2 yards.
Okay, perfect, perfect. All right, my friend, I appreciate that. All right, so this is our 2 yards of topsoil. Poundage wise, this is enough for our dually trailer. So let's get onto the job site and put it down. What's that over there? What's that pile right there?
That's more like sand.
Ah, so like if you need a lot more drainage or whatever, people just get that.
Yeah.
And so what's the makeup of this topsoil here compared to the blended one over there in the front?
Okay, so this is the sandy loam.
Okay.
And we take this one, mix it with compost to come up with the planter mix.
Ah, so on the one that's got the worm castings, it has a little combination of both plus the worm castings?
Yeah, so those two have the same ingredients, just different ratios.
Excellent, excellent. All right, man, thanks a lot for the education.
Got it.
And there you go.